What up guys, Hong here, and once again, welcome back to the channel. Now in this part 2 of our Wonder Wrangler makeover, we are going to be loading up all those goodies that you've seen in our unboxing video in part 1. If not, the link is either in the description below or somewhere up here in the corner. And for that, those boxes are not light. I need some extra muscle. So we've got Arun from Nitro coming over in our company van to help pick it up. Let's go. Here he is. Okay, now that we got all the goodies moved over to the paint shop, the next thing we got to do is to prep the Wrangler for the paint shop. 2 things we're going to do tonight. Number 1, we're going to remove the rear seats and the front passenger seat because all the seats will be reupholstered in new vinyl. Number 2, we're going to remove the Clearlidz, and there are 2 reasons behind that. Number 1, it's leaking, so I got to try to come up with a solution to rectify the problem. If I'm able to do that, I will do another video. And the second reason is we're going to put the Freedom panels back onto the Wrangler because we're going to paint everything. So let's get going. Alright, we're done. As you saw in the video, super easy to remove the rear seats, just a couple of minutes. However, I don't have the right tools to remove the front passenger seat, so that's got to wait till we bring the Wrangler to the shop to get the front 2 seats removed before we can bring that to the other shop to get reupholstered. Sadly, when I was removing the Clearlidz, there were 6 screw bolts that go in. One of them was slightly rusted, which means there is water seepage. So like I said earlier in the video, I will try to figure out a solution to rectify the problem because my wife absolutely loves the Clearlidz. I love it too because you get the awesome outdoors while you're indoors. So fantastic stuff. Only problem being that slight leak issue, but you have to fix it. You cannot have a leak inside the car. That's all we've got for you in this episode of Wonder Wrangler's makeover. Remember to follow Wonder Wrangler on Instagram or follow me as well on Instagram. And if you've enjoyed the video, please like and share. If not, well, I will try harder. Thank you for watching. Take care.